people, come see wetin dey happen for Igbo land now. I believe this is now for Anambra State where they call Ifite. My people, things are really happening. Things are really happening. What is really wrong with our youth? Is it a pressure coming from our mothers or our father or our family, or our youth have decided to rule themselves this way? Every day in Igbo land, we see criminality going on. What is happening? And this is what you will talk about. You see some fools coming to your comment section to tell you, hey, you are talking about this. Did you verify it? Did you confirm it? Did you do this one? Something you will see that is happening. Our youth are going. They are dying in numbers. They are turning into criminals, doing things that they don't supposed to do. And somebody will come to my comment section to write nonsense. I don't give attention to fools. When I see your comment is nonsense, I remove you from my platform. You don't have to be there. This is what I do. I remove you. So in case of you are seeing my channel before, maybe use another channel to see it. Don't bother yourself. I remove you. And if you write another one, I will still remove you. Because what is happening in Igbo youth, in Igbo land now, it is not what we will keep quiet. Yes, we know that we know that is happening other side of the country. But what is going on in Igbo land right now, the kind of criminality, you see people breaking shop, you see people stealing, snatching cars, you see people buying their fellow human being to collect what they for their body in exchange of money. I just want you to watch these two videos that I'm going to bring you up. This is how our people are now working with the Fulani to buy our own people. Our Igbo brothers are now working with the Fulani Kidnàppêrs to come and buy our own people. That is the reason why we say that okie no n'ulo gwara okie no n'ama na azụ dị na ngịga. Unfortunately, this man know him. If say this man no know him, na so if buy this, na for if just buy this man, but due to say this man know him, he quickly shoot the man. She buy the man, but the man no die. As he shoot the man no die. Our own people tomorrow will be crying. They are killing us, but you go carry them come to come they buy your own people. We cannot support this kind of criminality in our land. Our youth need to stop this. Parents, Igbo parents, bikonu, please talk to your children to avoid criminality. Instead of them wasting their this thing, send them out. Send that your child, you know that you want to send him out. Let me play this video before we come back and continue.
Onye kanda onwe obala gbe na iftedunu between boundary iftedunu no monya dey faje kidnapping na amazike na ke ma papa omo onye kanda gbe direct so and that from very well life and direct if for the way gba me pump action cause that even pump action na akpo from under cause we gba direct and if I do we be abon dey Fulani 6 if I do and I can down in the midst of them. And don't have a direct.
Okay. So I am about
yes. Obam Deba no some weapon.
When you have kidnap is by the person.
How kidnap the person? How kidnap the person? No, the sales girl to kidnap. And the MLS will have a ransom somewhere along airport road or where release the child.
I go again.
According to them, I don't know. I'm kind of known with our person and a ransom of 5 million naira.
So you confirm Okanda very well?
Yes, I confirm very, very well. And often very clear. And often very clear.
Okay, back in Ocean, young one year soon, the Fulani Mega.
Yes, I saw you. Say, cock why they pump, the mbo where we pull, or told Takuya waiting. We're going to touch with you before buy the second one. We're buying from no wasting as a weapon.
And the Abu Jagima.
Abu woman as this. Abu woman as this. Bukasama dagger. Bukasama as this.
Okay. And one night, okay. Oh, no, no. That took one hour away. And yeah, but that day, kidnap, but when you say answer.
Yes.
Yes, an ordinary person can come and carry any okay.
Okay.
An ordinary person who have the motor soon can that a kidnap one night working with BS. Napia 20 million within duty and a junction if they do. Kidnap no Mudioka. Napo Egonka, kidnap or mother. I got so many places. And if they don't only catch from of course, but now if they don't kidnap what the person. We're gonna okay if they don't know money.
And I'm going to
we're not the same thing. Kidnap process girl do
on 23 of September, 7:45 in the evening.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you. When you're a new commander special squad, I see one you might have done Igbo. And I'm by way opposition security ndo mun na kenyo mun na ni na se ro.
Yes.
Sini ke na basa no mbu ke madam no 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 the week. Na all right pata ga pata. When ke no security if do ni na ke no special squad if do.
Yes.
When ke no the police da wa na no ndi si ka ha. When ke no security mu doka. Chairman security mu doka ke na wi. Sima de na ke no the PG. PG so PG aso ko nya ka fana. Ye na go fana security mu go fa.
Yeah, special grace of God. I'm going to Chief Dr. K. Eke Onyamaya. Abiam, where can if they do special squad? By special grace of God, na Chineke use Ufa, Pana Losiolike, and where can Chineke Nisiva note? Na Chineke use Ufa, where we don't have me when 23 of September, and I go Obala.
Kanda
Onwabala. Bonn State. Of ndị na-eme nya bụ onye na-eme attack na mkpu ezekwe na Iftedunu with here they were about 6 men and they have all kinds of sophisticated weapons wee bịa n'oge mgbede afọ nsi Iftedunu wee nabata ụmụnna so na ekene Chineke n'isi ndị special squad Iftedunu when I open the government biko ka back up enough ka we nwee ke wipe all these crimes maka na ndị njam bụ ndị kidnappers na terrorize Iftedunu na ụmụnnya and that the same particular day ha jekwa under kidnapping in ụmụnnya along the process of going I come encounter with them so ana m ayọkwa ndị government ka ba were opportunity wee gbatakwa ndị vigilante also enyemaka by never a lot of equipment do we nwee ke wipe all this kind of crimes then an Igbo if you get so ekene m ndị Iftedunu kenekwa ndị Ụmụdịọka kenekwa ndị ụmụnnya at the same time so asị na Chukwu ya bụ unu mme na efunu na ya na efuna ndụ ndị na egbe ka agba m ife ute mma ha gbukasị mma n'isi so ya bụ egbe ha agba m osi n'onu banye si n'azụ wee pụọ so Chukwu na ndị a na mekwa ife adị wee bụrụ Chukwu na ndị a na so ekenekwa Chukwu lụrụ ọrụ nke sikwa ya eme na-ekenekwa na nke ọ ka eme wee yọkwa ndị elders ndị nna yọkwa ụmụ okolobịa yọkwa ndị gọọmenti si unu biko ka unu nye aka ka kraị na ụnwa dị na mgbamgba anyị niile nwa ka ọ pụọ na Fulani ya na-adịrọ mma agbata obi mmadụ na ndị be anyị kụtasịkwu ma ndị Fulani wee na-eme ya bụ mpụ na ife ọjọọ na anaba anyị wee na ya unu biko do unu tinye aka ka awaipa ife ọjọọ niile dị n'ala Igbo ka anyị mee nke a ka ọ dịla anyị ma na-aba Chukwu na ndị a daalụ.
Dafa gị?
Afọ m akwa Chukwu.
Gịnị ka ị na-arụ?
A na-ezu ori.
Kedu ụdị ori ị na-ezu?
Ọkacha ọpụ gbuo ngwa afọ ndị mmadụ.
Kedu ebe unu na-eje eri ya?
N'aka Ọka.
Kedu moto unu ji aga?
Chọtụ.
Kedu afa ndị otu gị?
Mụnwa makwa Chukwu Ogbuefi uti Sunday Ifeanyị na Chibuike na ofe akwụ na Joha.
Unu dị 6. Kedu ihe moto unu na-eyuzu?
Joha.
Kedu onye ka ebe kọta ahụ ji akpaka shop dị?
Ọ dị ebe a na ebe ọsọ.
Kedu ebe ọ?
Na nke energy.
So ihe na-agwa iwe eziokwu.
Yes, sir.
Kedu onye ji dị kọta na?
The cutter.
Ah.
Oh, yeah, the security bịa there.
Okay. So ihe na-agwa iwe eziokwu.
Yes, sir.
Onwe asị dị na ya.
No, sir.
Kedu ebe isi na ilegasị ihe ndị unu bugasị?
Na nke Papa Umunashi na afọ igwe.
Ka ebe ile je na
Na afọ igwe, sir.
ka ebe ile laptop na phone.
Na afọ igwe.
Kedu ebe unu ele cosmetics and provision na
Koka.
Kedu afa ha?
Nke OZ.
And onye?
With OO.
Na ama na unu ezu ezu.
Yes, sir.
Ndị ebe ka ndị Igbo afa wụ.
Yaba State.
Ha na-abụ. Onye driver na-eyuzu unu eji moto ya. Onye ebe ka ọ hụ.
Yaba State.
Bụ onye ebe?
Yaba State.
Kwede so ihe na-agwa anyị.
This is not what we know for. Before, I remember during our own age, we used to go to boy. I have my master that I serve. But these days, nobody wants to go and serve somebody again in order way for the person to position him. Then go and learn market. Go and learn something. Why all these things? Because of the hard work they are. Look at these people, they are doing this thing. They don't even look like a human being. They didn't even look like a human being. What is going on with our Igbo youth? What is happening? If I start bringing video that I'm receiving here every day, it's in thousands. Thousands. That's one that I see. Police, army, buy uncountable number of our youth. Not because of Biafra issue, the ones that is into criminality. And when you bring it up, some people will tell me they are innocent, they didn't do anything. No! The victims are there with them. So my people, please go and share this video. If you get a brother, call your brother in order. If you get any help, or if you help him. If na business making go start, come out in hand for criminality, cannot help us. This is not who we are. How can an Igbo man go and colonize with that? Go and join Fulani group kidnapper to be pointing the people they will be carrying in their village. Could you imagine? I bet wanna share the video and don't forget to follow my new page so that you will get our updates back to back for inside that place.